not finished with it completely. I'm trying to make it so you can reference it really fast. But the more you train, the more you're going to get it. So
those people are representing themselves. They do not represent us, and we need to represent MediCab as we should. Your response while in uniform is very important to the company. The way that you react, there should be no reaction to drivers on the road, to staffing. If you are waiting a long time for a nurse to arrive to the nurse's station, it's very easy for JoJo to give the nurse's station a call. Hey, can we get help in room 106? They usually are able to send help. We shouldn't be waiting or saying like, oh, there's no nurses around, or these nurses are rude or anything like that. We should be letting us know, because we can help you guys. You see dispatch saying, hey, take this bridge, or hey, it's because we're seeing a lot of long ways around and we can't afford it, so we might be instructing you which way to take. And if you do that, just
or if not, try this. Let's do 1 month maps and then 1 month Google, and you'll see the difference.
So I'm sure that Google, you only have really one option with an Android, probably, right?
I thought so.
No, I got
both. Because you have an iPhone. But you guys know how to get to Winkler Court and a lot of these locations.
It's only a sample. It's only a sample.
So you're taking the best routes to the places that you know. I'm talking like if you're going from Immokalee to Cape Coral, you know, like figuring out which location is going to be best downloaded.
But we are driving every single day for many places, you know, not for when we go home, but if you go to facility or hospital, you know sometimes where you can go and you can cook. Because the traffic, you know, if you go 41, 3 p.m., you know it's going to take a long time. Maybe you go Colonial and turn in Cypress or turn in Plantation, but you know in Plantation you need to wait for the traffic light to cross, and you figure out that you can go wherever, another place.
Use Google.
Why aren't you already headed there? You wait until the wait time goes down, and now we're not getting to the pickup until 9 when we should be in the room at 9. The second one is if you're sitting here, you're waiting for a trip at 9:45, it's 9 o'clock and the trip's in Bonita Springs, it tells you to wait 15 minutes. No, we need you guys to be on your way down there.
I thought I was doing it wrong. I always leave before the time.
Yes, that is correct.
My question about it is sometimes we have
Dispatch know when you start 10:10 and let them know when you're 10:08 from lunch. So when you arrive, when you're finished with your inspection, send 10:08.